Good morning everybody, this is Devi from Little Hearts Publications and today I am going to take class 2 science lesson 6, how to get fresh air. Okay, we all know that we cannot live without breathing. So what do we breathe inside? We breathe air or we take air into our body through the nose. Yes, so we breathe the air to live. Breathe air to live. We as human beings breathe air, many animals breathe air, and also plants. Okay, plants also take air. Yes, these all are living things. There are many creatures also which need air. Without air they cannot live or survive. Yes, so no living thing is present without breathing air. If we are unable to breathe air or can't breathe air, we may not die, we may not survive or we may die. Yes, so the air we breathe should be clean. Air should be clean and fresh. Okay, air should be clean and fresh. Clean and fresh. So how can we make the air clean and fresh? We will learn in the next. Yes, so this air, how can we say this air is clean? This air should not contain any dust, smoke, germs and some other things. Okay, so we say the air is clean when there is no dust, smoke or germs in the air. Then it is said to be clean and fresh air. So we can maintain good health if we breathe fresh and clean air. Okay, so if we breathe clean and fresh air, we can keep our health good. So how can we say that we can keep our health good? Because this dust, smoke and germs which are present in the air may harm us. How they harm us? For example, if you breathe this dusty and smoky air, this dust and smoke enter into our body and it may affect our respiratory system. What is respiratory system? The nose, lungs or throat, whatever it may be, air passage areas. Yes, so we can maintain a good health if we breathe fresh air. Yes, and next, yes, so green plants or trees keep the air fresh and pure. Okay, green plants and trees. Green plants and trees keep the air fresh and pure. Fresh and pure. So how can we say the air is pure? Because we can say in the way these green plants and trees, they also take air to prepare their food. So what do they take? They take carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is not useful by animals and human beings. This is only taken by plants. Only taken by plants. We need oxygen, yes. So this carbon dioxide, when is this carbon dioxide levels are increased in the air, it is very harmful for us to breathe. In that way we can say that the air is not fresh or not pure or not clean, or it's not good. So this carbon dioxide and some other harmful gases which are coming out from some vehicles make the air bad or impure. Okay, this may spoil our health. Yes. So these green plants and trees take carbon dioxide, which when this carbon dioxide is utilized by these green plants, the air gets pure or fresh or clean. So how to keep this air fresh and pure? When we plant more trees, plant more plants or saplings, okay, or you can say as trees. When we plant more plants or saplings, these plants prepare their food and by utilizing the carbon dioxide, which makes the air fresh. So the surroundings will become clean and fresh with the fresh air. So, and how can we make this fresh air get into our house, inside our house? So what to do? Should we close the doors and windows to not get the air into our house? No, we should keep the doors and windows open. Open windows and doors. We should keep the windows and doors open. Okay, so that fresh air enters into the house. Okay, so open, every house should have doors and windows. Then we can say that house has good ventilation. House has good ventilation. What is ventilation? The space which is provided to allow the air and sunlight to enter into the house. Yes. So this is about the house. And how to keep ourselves active? You should play outdoors. Play outdoors in the open gardens and in the open areas to get fresh air. Okay, and when you should cover your nose. When to cover your nose? When you pass beside the garbage area. Not only garbage area, when you pass nearby the drainages or some spoiled things are thrown away on the road, you should close your nose and then pass away from that place. And also many places this garbage is dumped outside. Nowadays we are not looking at that, but and one more good thing is sleep. While you are sleeping, never close your face. Means you should not close your face with the blanket and sleep, as it avoids fresh air to go into your nose for normal breathing. So with this we completed the lesson, and you have some activities in page number 53 and 54. Okay, please go through the lesson and complete the exercises. Worksheet will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.